Just want to make a quick video and explain the difference between Apple and BlackBerry. You can make money in both companies, but I just want to point out something that maybe some people are not really seeing. So basically, this day here is earnings. The last time Apple had earnings, they're going to be having earnings again, and the stock, of course, gapped up. Don't forget they had this split, but from 74 opened up at 81, so it was a huge move. And then from that day on, it really continued higher, as you can see. And recently we had a small pullback. I've been having some questions, but basically, when it comes to the long-term trend in Apple, I mean, it's extremely. I mean, a lot of stocks after earnings haven't really held on to gains like Apple has. And also, I believe Apple is an indicator of the market. And to prove it, basically, back in March and April, when Apple was kind of chopping around, so was the market. Apple rises up higher, and so does the majority of the market. So Apple is a great indicator of the market. What a lot of people don't want to understand is if Apple was to go down, so would their stocks, especially BlackBerry. If BlackBerry wants to go up, you're going to want Apple to go up as well. That's as simple as that. But anyways, if we were to compare earnings, I just want even the BlackBerry board to understand this. I'm just talking about facts here. It's not about fighting, and it's not about this and that, and it's just the facts. So here's your earnings day, right? And the stock has really lost most of its gains. It had a great run here. I took profits in the 11 19 area based on my charts, but you can see this fall here, especially on the daily. You haven't really kept much of its earning gains when you compare Apple, right? So just think about that. So here's your earnings, and so just wanted to make that clear. You can't compare the companies, right? And this company is a force to be reckoned with in the computer world. That's just the facts. The fundamentals and the technicals are lining up very well with this company, and the odds favor this going into the 100+ area over time. Easily. I talked about this over here, how bullish as this was, and you know what, from this day back in April, I mean, this has just been a monster running stock. We had this pullback, another run higher, but any way you look at it, the stock is practically a lot higher from its earnings. It's rewarded its shareholders handsomely. So there you have it. My thoughts on Apple and the market. Believe me, this stock here, this comes crumbling down, which is unlikely. Most likely, the market would go down heavily as well. You notice the market was down today heavily. So was Apple. The Apple wasn't down that much, but the market was down a lot. And we've been having nice runs in the market, and so has Apple. There is a correlation. Right now, anyways, Apple is a stock, an indicator stock for now and at least another year or so. So it's a great indicator of the true trend of the market. Apple is a great investment. I made a lot of money with the stock long term. I mean, way back. Let's see, where is it? Way back in 2013. I mean, no, actually. Farther back than that. But anyways, AAPL, a force to be reckoned with, powerful technicals, powerful fundamentals, a billionaire invested in this company. This is a great long-term play. Thanks for listening. Like the video.